My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Ford Tornado Custom. This vehicle is hybrid electric. It has done just over 23,000 miles and it has an automatic transmission. As we step inside, we can see that the Tornado Custom comes with 8 seats in total, all of which are full leather. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, we can see that we have Bluetooth, navigation, mobile apps, emergency assistance, Android CarPlay, 4Pass Connect, voice control and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. And finally, we have heated seats on either side. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.